Hey there! Welcome to our video where you will learn how to create spaces and teams in the TextPeak platform. We'll also explore how you can manage your teams by defining user roles, adding users with specific permissions, inviting them to join your account, and managing user assignments. Let's start with creating a space and adding teams to it. In the main menu, expand Users and click Spaces and Teams. Click Create New Space, provide the name and description, and click Create. The space is created, and inside it, you can now create as many teams as needed, and then assign users to each of them. Each user in TextPeak can be assigned unique permissions for their role. To manage these permissions, navigate to the Role Permissions page. Tenant Owner and Tenant Viewer are built-in platform master roles. For the inbox, built-in roles include Admin, Manager, and Agent. You can customize your team further by adding new roles with specific platform or inbox permissions. Click Add New Role, and define its title and description. Expand categories, enable permissions, and save changes to create a custom platform role tailored to your needs. Please note that even with no specific permissions, the new role retains viewing ability as stated in the category. If you already have some custom roles, you can duplicate and modify them. Click the three dots, select Duplicate, make adjustments, and save changes. Now, let's add a user together. Select the Users Management tab, and click the Add User button at the top right of the page. In the pop-up window, enter the user's name and email. Select either a platform role, an inbox role, or both roles from the drop-down list, and click Send. It's that simple. The user will be added with the pending status and receive an invitation email. After they confirm and complete registration, their status changes to active. Now, you can assign the user to your team. Select the corresponding checkbox and click Assign to Team. In the pop-up window, select the needed team from the drop-down list and click Assign. Now, navigate to the Space and Teams tab and click to open the space that contains your team. Your new user will be there. To make changes to your team, click the three dots and select Edit Team. Then, add more agents or remove the existing ones from your team by checking or unchecking the checkboxes. Click Save to confirm. Alternatively, click the Unassign link next to the user record and confirm you want to unassign this agent from your team. Congratulations! You've learned how to create and manage your spaces and teams, invite new users to your account, and define their roles and permissions. Until next time, happy managing!